Is he funny? Sit down, London. Go sit down. Go sit down. Good boy. Stay there. Oh, downward dog. Go over there and sing with her. Okay, come sing to him. Come play to him. Keep playing. Keep playing to him, sweetie pie. Keep playing. Go get the other one. There's one on the couch. Go look on the couch. Go look on the couch. It's over there. It's over there. Here. There's your other one. Yeah, get that harmonica. I think that one's better. You want to sit here and do it? Okay. Play it for London. Hurry, play it for London. A 1.5-year-old and a Rottweiler. Keep on playing, baby. He wants to sing with you. Goodness. Do you want me to hold the other one? Let me hold this one. This one's not, that one plays better. Play that one. You want both of them? Play that one. That one's louder. Play it. Go. You want to hold both of them? Okay. This one's the better one. Here, this one's louder, sweetie pie. Try that one. Yeah. Mommy? I think this one's better. This one's louder. Okay, play it over next to him so he can sing with you. Go stand next to him, Maria. Yep. Stand right next to him. Yeah, okay, now play. Or you want to sit down next to him? Okay, sit down. Now play it. I love you. Was that fun? Love you. London. Now he's just going to go look for anything you dropped. Love you, baby.